we're going to talk about, we've been teaching and talking about zoo and zoo animals. And we've looked at this zoo picture, and we know when you go to a zoo that the animals have to be separated. We want to see them all, but they have to be separated into different enclosures. And there's different reasons for that. The main reason that we've talked about before is between herbivores and carnivores. Those that live in the grasslands, that eat just grass and plants, can't be with the lions and tigers and sometimes bears because those are meat eaters or carnivores. So we're going to talk about sorting. They sort animals in the zoo based on what they eat. And so we're going to sort animals like that right now in some different ways. So we come down, we have our mat on the floor, and we have a bin of different types of animals. So we are going to talk about, let's see, I'm just going to pull them out. A zebra. A zebra is herbivore. So we're going to put the herbivores over here. We'll put the herbivores and the carnivores. So how about an elephant? Elephant eats plants, so it's an herbivore. How about a wolf? A wolf is a definite hunter. It's a predator, so it eats meat. So we will put that with the carnivores. How about a rhinoceros? A rhinoceros mostly eats plants. So we're going to put it over with the herbivores. How about the tiger? A tiger, definitely a predator, definitely a carnivore. So we're sorting our animals based on what they eat. How about the polar bear? Well, the polar bear we know eats penguins and otters and stuff, so we know that is, lean him up against there, is a carnivore. How about a moose? A moose. The moose is herbivore. It eats plants. How about the hippopotamus? Sometimes it'll eat meat, but most of the time it's plant eater. So we're going to put it with the herbivore. When an animal eats both, like the rhinoceros and the hippo, we call that an omnivore, where it eats both, but mostly it eats plants. How about the lion? Definitely a predator, definitely a carnivore. How about the snowy owl? An owl. It may eat some seeds and plants, but it goes after small animals. So it is a carnivore. The grizzly bear. Now the grizzly bear is one of those, it will eat plants and it will eat meat. So we'll put it with the carnivores. Or we can make our grouping of omnivores in the middle. We can do that too. How about the penguin? Cute little waddler? It eats fish, so it is a carnivore. We'll lay him down. The gorilla. The gorilla eats plants and all kinds of things like that, so it's an herbivore. An ostrich. An herbivore. Ooh, like a barn owl or another owl. That eats little critters, so we're going to put it over with the carnivores. A mallard duck. It's a plant eater. A goose. Definitely a plant eater and herbivore. How about a giraffe? A nice big giraffe? It's an herbivore. This is a tiny one. It's an emu, but it's another bird, and it is an herbivore. How about the whale? Now the whale will eat some plants, but it goes up to big swarms of fish too, like krill and stuff like that, so it is a carnivore. And the sea turtle. The sea turtle eats lots of plants, but it also will eat some fish. So they're kind of in the middle between the ones that do both, the herbivores, and the carnivores. So they're the omnivores. How about a snake? What's a snake do? Snake eats little rodents like mice and stuff like that, bugs, so it is a carnivore. So we divided it up kind of into 3 groups already. We have our herbivores, the ones that eat plants, and these eat plants, but they also eat meat, so we have them in the middle, so they're omnivores. And then we have our carnivores. Let's see, what's another way we can divide up our animals? Well, as I'm crossing my legs, how about we have 2 legs? Let's divide up the animals based on how many legs they have. So let's put them all together. Ooh, squish them all together. We'll make a new piles. All right, so we're going to do the ones that have 4 legs. Let's see 4 legs. We'll put 4-legged creatures over here. A lion, 1, 2, 3, 4. An elephant, 1, 2, 3, 4. How about the goose? Only has 2. They're put together on this one, but 2 legs on that one. How about a zebra? 1, 2, 3, 4. How about the whale? Uh-oh. We'll have to have another one with no legs. No legs in the middle. 2 legs, no legs, 4 legs. A hippo? 4 legs. A rhinoceros? 4. Looks like animals are very popular having 4 legs. Now a turtle doesn't have any legs, but it has flippers. And it has 4 flippers, but no legs. A duck? You can see 2 legs. An emu? 2 legs. Oops. The moose. 1, 2, 3, 4. A bear? 4. A penguin. Penguin has 2 legs and 2 flippers, but 2 legs, so we'll put it with the 2 legs. Gotta lay down again. The gorilla. He actually goes on he has legs and arms, but they're all used. What do you think, Miss Easter? Legs or arms?
And you know, he walks on them. I'd call them legs.
He walks on all 4, so we'll do them 4. The owl, definitely 2. Ostrich, 1, 2. The tiger, 4. A snake, no legs, just slides around. The owl, the other owl, the snowy owl, 2. How about the wolf? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And the polar bear, even though the polar bear is standing up on this one, this figure, he has 2 legs up, but he definitely walks on all 4, so we'll give him 4 legs. So look at that. We have 3 groups. 2-legged animals, no legs, and 4-legged animals. Let's count how many 2s we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 2-legged animals, and I bet you can think of a lot more. No-legged, we have 3 here, but bet you can think of some more with no legs. And 4-legged animals, most animals are 4-legged. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 here. All these animals, lots of 4-legged. 12 4-legged animals wins the most. So you can sort your animals in all different ways. Besides what they eat, herbivores, carnivores, or omnivores, 2 legs, 4 legs, no legs, bet you can think of some more ways to do it. You try those at home.